In 1933, Machine Gun Kelly pulled off what seemed like the perfect kidnapping. He snatched oil tycoon Charles Urschel in broad daylight, demanded $200,000 ransom, left zero clues behind. Kelly had planned everything perfectly, changed locations constantly, used disguises, even blindfolded his victim so he couldn't identify anyone. The FBI was stumped. No witnesses, no evidence, no leads. But Kelly made one tiny mistake. He kept buying the same typewriter ribbons for his ransom notes. Investigators traced those ribbon purchases straight to his door, the perfect crime, ruined by office supplies.